this is Loose Shirt. Welcome to Locks with Loose. I've got an Emhart black belt lock here. I'm going to pick, and it's pinned for black belt. You can see there's a couple of masters. I was thinking that the first master was in 1. It's actually in 2. And there's one back there on... I am so sorry. This is 1, and that's 5. So that's where the masters are, and this is actually a 3D print for an ASA 6K unloader gutter. But it's not exactly, it doesn't work that great for unloading. It works better for loading. I just made it work. It's better than, they're so finicky trying to put those little things in there. So anyway, that's what I did. All right, so first thing we gotta do is put it back together. Hopefully I can do that. This little anti-drill deal in there, and there's the, oops, I should have showed you the bobble as well. Okay, drop that in. Slide the C-clip on there. Okay, so we're good there. And then hopefully, what do you think here? Yeah, we'll go like this. And with a little bit of coaxing, see if we can make it zoom in a little bit. And I got these turned kind of sideways. Can't get that one to go. I'm trying to do this to make sure that when they go in, they don't get unhooked. Come on. Trying to get the first set to go in. First chamber is not wanting to... There it goes, finally. Okay, so it should be better from here on out. Oops, I am not on... Okay, I'm happy with that. There we go. Okay. Here's one with the master in it. Make sure they stay hooked together. Got a lot of positive pressure on it, so not too worried about it. This is the last chamber, obviously. Come on, man. There we go. I don't know if that was just... Well, it's less finicky to me, so... Okay. think this is the end that I need up. Dang on it. Almost there. Now it's getting really hard to slide, so I need a little help. There we go. Oh man, it's getting pinched. There it goes. God. I'm sorry it takes so long to do this, but it is what it is. All right. All right, there we go. Let's get started. I'm going to use a couple of pointy Mokies, a flat Jimmy Longs, and perhaps an SS Dev if I need it. And top of the Keyway Turner 1.3. Yeah. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is kind of listen a little bit, feel. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Well, first thing I need to do is make sure that the key works. Nothing got crossed up, so that's good. And then I should take a rake. Okay. Okay, that sounds good. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. So 5 is binding. I felt it go up and there was a little give clockwise. That sounds good, sounds clicky. Or it's not really binding, but it is clicky. 6 feels good. Doesn't sound good though. That's better. I lost something. Let's try SS Dev back there. I just dropped a bunch of stuff. But the 6th one sounds better anyway. There's 5. 4 feels okay already. Six doesn't feel right. 3. One and 2 are not binding. Back here on 6, trying to okay, that was 6 finally. 5. 4. It's not turned right. Okay, it's better. 3. Good. More clockwise. Let's see if 2. I think 1 and 2 are going to be binding now. I'll switch to bottom of the keyway for those. And Jimmy Longs. Okay. 2 went up, but it's better. 1. Let's see here. Overset it. I'm pretty sure. Okay, I think I dropped one. Let's try it. Go back and try it again. Hmm. There it is. Just took a little more coaxing. All right, that's it. The Emhart black belt. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye.